Hello, how are you? Today we are going to make a nice cold espresso coffee. Let's start. We begin by making everything needed for an espresso. We put the coffee in here. So. With the difference that we are not going to put the cup in here, but this thing. The reason is explained it later. If you want to put sugar, you put it in here. So we are going to prepare it and we'll talk in a minute. Okay, now it's done. We are putting one ice cube in here and we are going to heat it here. This is just to make foam. Here you are. You can do it in a closed jar or everything. You just shake it if you don't have this. And we are going to pour it here in this glass full of ice cubes. And our iced cold espresso coffee is ready. We are going to name it Freddo in Greece. This is iced cold Freddo espresso. Sorry for my bad English. Thank you very much. Bye.